So problem is given. If a plus 1 sin alpha is equal to a minus 1, show that 2 root a times tan alpha equals a minus 1. Okay, so now we will start with given. So given is a plus 1 sin alpha is equal to a minus 1. From here we can find out value of sin alpha. So sin alpha will be a minus 1 over a plus 1. So now, and in this given problem, okay, tan alpha is given. So to find out tan alpha, we need to find out cos alpha first. So we will use here Pythagorean identity, which is just cos square alpha equals 1 minus sin square alpha. So 1 minus sin alpha is a minus 1. So now let's write it. A minus 1 over a plus 1 whole square. And now 1 minus, just, so we can separate their power. So we can write it a minus 1 whole square over a plus 1 whole square. And finding LCM, we can solve this subtraction. So it will be a plus 1 whole square minus a minus 1 whole square over a plus 1 whole square. So now when we expand this bracket using a plus b whole square, it will be a squared plus 1 plus 2a. And yeah, this second term, it will be minus a squared and then plus 2a and just minus 1. Okay. And over a plus 1 whole square. So now this minus 1 and this plus 1, okay, these both are opposite, so they get cancelled. And now this a squared and this a squared, okay, these both have this different sign, so they get cancelled. So what is left? 2a plus 2a, so 4a is left in numerator, and in denominator it is a plus 1 whole square. But this is cos square alpha, and we need to find out cos alpha. So cos alpha equals, yes, root 4a over a plus 1 whole square. So yeah, that will be 2 root a over a plus 1. Okay? This is the value of cos alpha. Now let's move to the given. So no, this left hand side. So left hand side is what? 2 root a times tan alpha. So now let's substitute the value of tan alpha. 2 root a times tan alpha. Tan alpha will be sin alpha over cos alpha. So sin alpha is, yeah, a minus 1 over a plus 1. Okay. And cos alpha is 2 root a over a plus 1. Okay. And when we simplify this fraction, okay, yeah, it will be 2 root a times a minus 1 over a plus 1 times a plus 1 over 2 root a. So now we can see, okay, this a plus 1 and this a plus 1, they get cancelled. Okay. And this 2a and this 2a, they get cancelled. So what is left? Only a minus 1 is left, and that is our right hand side. Yes. So we got the same right hand side, so hence we proved it. Yes. So please like, share and comment and follow my page for such more maths, and thank you for watching.